Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You must not attempt bypass methods that defeat device security. I can't guide those. Instead, begin by confirming you own the Redmi A3. Gather proof of purchase, device IMEI or serial, and photo ID. Once done, charge the phone above half and connect to reliable Wi-Fi because account recovery or official support may need downloads and time. Make sure you have the original Google and My Account emails noted. You'll use these details during the next official steps. You should attempt account recovery via Google's official recovery flow using the email or phone tied to the Google account. This is the legitimate approach and keeps your data safe. At the same time, sign into your My Account online to verify whether the phone is linked. My Support can offer authorized unlock or reset options when you prove ownership. If recovery fails, make sure you have IMEI, serial, and proof of purchase assembled so support can verify you quickly, and proceed. You'll finish by contacting Xiaomi customer support or your carrier and requesting authorized assistance. Provide the IMEI, receipt, and ID so they can confirm ownership. If support directs you to factory reset, make sure you first attempt account recovery and confirm credentials, because resetting without credentials can keep the device locked. Finally, if recovery emails or codes don't show up, check spam folders, email filters, and any alternate recovery phone numbers or addresses. These small checks often
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.